We are a logistics company with a focus on drudge, air, and ocean freight services. We provide other services like transloading and warehousing. Great Link is located in Shenzhen, with warehouses in Shenzhen Airport, Shenzhen Yantian Port, Hong Kong, and branches and agents in Los Angeles, New York, Vancouver, Toronto, Europe, Indonesia, and other cities. Great Link can provide comprehensive services such as sea freight, air freight, customs clearance, transshipment, freight collected, and door-to-door delivery to the most countries of the world. We guarantee prompt, seamless service and are accessible around the clock to respond to your inquiries and meet your requirements. For further information about our services, you are free to reach out. I will be more than happy to assist you.